The strength of feeling that the British people have about this need for control and the direct accountability of their politicians is one reason why, throughout its membership, the United Kingdom has never totally felt at home being in the European Union. And perhaps because of our history and geography, the European Union never felt to us like an integral part of our national story in the way it does to so many elsewhere in Europe. The success of the EU is profoundly in our national interest and that of the wider world. I believe that we share a profound sense of responsibility to make this change work smoothly and sensibly, not just for people today, but for the next generation who will inherit the world we leave them. We've now conducted 3 rounds of negotiations, and while at times those negotiations have been tough, it's clear that thanks to the professionalism and diligence of David Davis and Michel Barnier, we have made concrete progress on many important issues. I want to repeat to the 600,000 Italians in the UK, and indeed to all EU citizens who have made their lives in our country, that we want you to stay, we value you, and we thank you for your contribution to our national life. And it has been and remains one of my first goals in this negotiation, to ensure that you can carry on living your lives as before. I'm clear that the guarantee I am giving on your rights is real, and I doubt anyone with real experience of the UK would doubt the independence of our courts or of the rigour with which they will uphold people's legal rights. But I know there are concerns that over time the rights of EU citizens in the UK and UK citizens overseas will diverge. And I want to incorporate our agreement fully into UK law and make sure the UK courts can refer directly to it. And when there is uncertainty around underlying EU law, I want the UK courts to be able to take into account the judgments of the European Court of Justice with a view to ensuring consistent interpretation. And on this basis, I hope our teams can reach firm agreement quickly.